From heavy-duty applications to cutting-edge Industry 5.0 sites, factories around the world share a common necessity. Let us explore how ams OSRAM's light solutions enable highest safety standards at work and convince with unparalleled reliability. Modern industry requires solutions for extremely limited spaces, especially in applications where the difference between fast switching on and off is crucial. Our highly durable, energy-efficient LEDs offer the full color spectrum while meeting all safety standards. Reliability and safety are key in areas where light is critical for communication. The information it transmits must be clearly visible while remaining as power efficient as possible, even in harsh conditions. When it comes to controlling industrial processes or inputting data, our ultra-slim LEDs with exceptional uniformity and reliability are the perfect solution for any type of display. In modern manufacturing, precision is paramount. That's why advanced machine vision is essential for providing fast, efficient, and reliable quality control. Our tailored illumination solutions offer a wide range of spectrum and design options, ensuring optimal performance for any technical setup. As a one-stop shop for machine vision, ams OSRAM provides both high-quality illumination and sensing solutions. With our combined expertise, we are the ideal partner for your next project, from simple setups to full automated factories. We are proud to offer you a comprehensive portfolio of cutting-edge light solutions that address all of today's factory needs. Our products are renowned for their safety, reliability, exceptional robustness, and precision, and we are committed to developing new solutions that meet future requirements. From simple, long-lasting indicators to high-tech automated inspection systems, we are your trusted partner in creating safe and reliable factory environments all over the world. Choose ams OSRAM for robust industrial light solutions.